HeyGen allows you to create videos where an image speaks a script or audio track. This process is commonly used for avatar-based videos. This tutorial explains the steps. What the process does, you upload an image and provide a script or audio. The image becomes an avatar that lip-syncs to the spoken words. You can use your own voice, a cloned voice, or a built-in voice option. Steps to lip sync in HeyGen. First, open the HeyGen website and sign into your account. On the home screen, select Photo to Video. This option lets you generate a video using an image and a voice track. Next, click on Script to Video to continue. You can enter a script for your character to speak. Alternatively, you can upload an audio file or record audio directly inside HeyGen. If you want to use your own voice, go to the bottom section and click the Voice button. Then click on Clone Your Voice at the top. You can record yourself speaking for a few seconds using your microphone, or you can upload a pre-recorded audio file. HeyGen will use that voice for your video. Now choose the image you want to animate. You can upload a new photo by clicking the Upload button and selecting an image from your device. If your device has a camera, you can also take a photo directly. Another option is to use one of the built-in characters provided by HeyGen for your video. Next, select the video quality. You can choose between 720p and 108p. The 108p option requires a paid subscription. You can also open the advanced settings to describe the motions and gestures you want your character to perform during the video. Once everything is ready, click Generate. HeyGen will process your project, and your video should be ready within a few minutes. Limitation: this process works best for creating avatar-based videos with synchronized lip movement. The cloned voice feature requires a clear audio recording. The 108p quality option is only available with a paid subscription. This method is suitable for presentations, marketing videos, or content creation where a speaking avatar is needed.